Good morning, sir. Today we'll be discussing on handloom denim and what is the impact of handloom denim in Indian context.
See, handloom denim is a new avatar of denim. Conventionally, denim has been produced in the industrial setup. So there are denim mills who actually would dye cotton yarn with indigo dyes and then convert it into a fabric. And subsequently, after the garment has been made, it has to go through a series of steps in which it is laundered or washed. Essentially, the denim fabric is the most polluting fabric of all fabric that we know. One, because denim is always characterized by indigo, which is a polluting material. A typical characteristic of indigo dye is that it does not dissolve in water. It is not soluble in water. Number one. Number two, it has no affinity for cotton. So basically, the dyeing of cotton yarn with indigo is a very, very energy consuming process in which we have to use a lot of steam and heat and all that stuff. And then subsequently, after the fabric is taken off the looms, it has to be, actually physically and chemically damaged to make it wearable. And in that process also, we are using, hardcore chemicals and a lot of electricity and all that stuff. So, and even after that, we are left with residual indigo, which is a big problem to dispose it of. Because you can't just throw it away just like that. So, all these years we've been looking at in the denim club, we've been looking at the denim industry. We very closely worked with a lot of big mills, and we got exposure to this aspect of denim, that it pollutes. So we tried to figure out an alternative way of making denim, which is eco-friendly.
So that is handloom.
Yeah, that is what we call handloom denim. Now, the term eco-friendly has so many different meanings and connotations. What we are looking at here is that we have tried to produce a fabric which is the same technical construction as industrial denim, but can be made without using almost negligible electricity or without burning fuels and without using chemicals.
So it's basically sustainable.
It is a purely sustainable process, which in itself is also a huge employment generator. Because for making denim on handlooms, we had to actually go back to the traditional weavers who've been weaving fabric on handlooms for hundreds of years. Now, most of them, because of the low value they get for their time and products, they had, abandoned their craft and their looms were lying unused. So,
you were reviving their...
Yes. So, handloom denim in itself is not only a very innovative kind of a product, but the thought behind it and the philosophy also is, is something which we can call a socially responsible.
And it is timely because the government of India is now focusing on Make in India.
Government of India government of India that way has been promoting handlooms for a very long time. The recent, the current government definitely has a very strong thrust on this, and the minister is quite focused on this. The Prime Minister also is personally taking interest in, creating more awareness and making khadi and this handloom more popular. And this, in fact, is, to my mind, the way to go, because this is one segment of our international trade, which, if handled properly, can be a huge generator of foreign, what do you call it?
As the export in which we can do that.
Basically it can get us a lot of, that word that's foreign exchange.